welcome to my channel Technical Hakim. Today in this video I have shown how to unlock Huawei MA5600T OLT to support third-party ONT. So I have unlocked this MA5600 Huawei OLT version to make the OLT supportive to third party. So let's begin the video without any delay. So here you can see I have logged into one of the Huawei OLT, that's MA5600T. So I am issuing the display ONT info command. So here you can see I have added 3 ONTs, and out of these 3 ONTs 0/14/01 ONT is Huawei. So you can see Huawei ONT is online. Rest 2 of the ONTs which are third party, they are offline. So that means the OLT is rejecting the third party ONT, or let's say the ONT or the third party ONT is incompatible right now at the moment. So I will be unlocking the OLT, and after the unlock the OLT will be accepting those third party ONT. So here you can see I have shown the version of the Huawei ONT which is supported. So on FSP 0/14/0 and one ONT ID, it's Huawei ONT, and the Huawei ONT is online. And on FSP 0/14/00 the ONT is offline, and likewise on 0/2 the ONT is offline too, because the OLT is rejecting, or let's say those both ONTs are third party. So here you can see the OLT is pushing the error insufficient ONT interoperability access license. So it means that the OLT is unable to accept at the moment those third party ONT. And here I have unlocked this OLT, and after unlock the OLT will be working fine and will be able to accept any of the third party ONT, or let's say wide ranges. It will accept wide ranges of third party ONT after unlock. So I am loading the patch, unlock patch file. So you can see 83% is completed, the patch process in progress. So let's wait. Okay, you can see the unlock patch load is successful. So now once the load patch is success, so we need to reboot the OLT to make the file take effect, or let's say we have recently updated the unlock patch file, and in order to make that file effective we need to reboot the OLT. So I will be rebooting the OLT now. Here you can see before reboot, here you can see the reason of offline of that third party ONT is insufficient ONT interoperability access license. It means that the OLT is rejecting the third party ONT. So I will first delete this, and once the reboot is performed we will again add that ONT and we will see whether the third party ONT gets accepted or not after, since we have already loaded the unlock patch file. So here you can see one of these third party ONT with vendor ID DPDP. So I am going to now reboot the OLT to make that file effective. The OLT is still duplicating the patch backup file, so the command was not accepted. I will again issue the same command. Okay, so the OLT is rebooted now. To save time, I have skipped. Once you reboot your OLT, normally the Huawei OLT will take approximately 10 to 12 or let's say 10 to 15 minutes maximum for complete boot. So here you can see our OLT is already up, and I have recently, the OLT was in with RO15 software version, and I have also updated the software firmware version to RO18. Here you can see the OLT is now already upgraded to RO18 version. So now let's verify the OLT is accepting third party ONT or not. So before that, I have issued few script to make sure that third party ONT works easily. I have issued the third party scripts along with our previous updated patch version file. So I have skipped this part. If you need to unlock any of the MA series Huawei OLT, to make sure to contact me. You can contact me via WhatsApp or mail. I will drop down the contact details on the description section. You can find my contact details on description. Here you can see after reboot all the boards are now in normal state. So we have done the two things. First of all, I have uploaded, or let's say I have loaded the patch unlock patch file, and after the patch file is loaded, I rebooted the OLT, and after the OLT is back to operation or back to live, back to up, I have passed the unlock scripts, and now I will verify. Let's verify the third party ONT operation or working or acceptability. Previously the OLT was rejecting before unlock. Now the OLT should able to accept the third party ONT. So I will show you after adding the ONT. This is the Huawei ONT. So Huawei, we do not have any issue with Huawei. Huawei will work fine, but previously the OLT was rejecting the third party ONT, and now since I have already unlocked this OLT, OLT will now accept wide ranges of third party ONT. So you can use different vendors ONT like ZTE, Nokia, Bidicom, Cyrotech, etc. etc. So let's, here you can see I have added this third party ONT. So you can see now our third party ONT is now online. So the OLT is unlocked and accepting the third party ONT after the unlock. So our unlock is successful. Here you can see previously the OLT was throwing the error license, let's say third party license error. Now after we unlock the OLT, the OLT is accepting third party ONT and it's working fine. So friend, here you can see the third party unlock is successful. If you want to unlock your any of the OLT with Huawei MA series, you can contact me through my contact details. You can reach out to me via technicalhakim.com, my website. You can also find their contact details on contact us page, or you can reach out to me directly via WhatsApp or through my LinkedIn page or Facebook page. Feel free to contact me in case of any unlocking, or let's say technical support, or like configuration support, network support. So I am making sure the internet works fine with that the third party warranty we have recently added. So I have already added the warranty, and now I have defined one service plan, and I am adding the service port. So you can see the service port has been added. Now let's confirm its warranty information, and I will confirm with the MAC address, MAC learn. Here you can see the warranty is in normal state and online. Let's confirm the MAC, whether the MAC is learned from the warranty or not. So that will confirm half of the portion of internet reachability. Once we set up the WAN on warranty side, you can check the warranty version too. You can confirm with display warranty version and phone port and warranty ID details. So here you can see the MAC is already learned. Okay, thank you friend for watching my video. Do drop down your comment in the comment section.